This secret bunker is hiding something so terrifying, you won't believe it. Built after World War II, this underground bunker remained sealed for decades, but recently strange noises have been heard from inside. When researchers entered, they found a rusted door, and what was behind it was shocking: bloodstains on the walls and strange symbols. Some believe this was a top-secret military experiment, and something might still be alive inside. Do you want to know more? Comment, tell me more, and subscribe now. And